Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Princess. So today I'm going to show you on how I do this glam look makeup. I enjoy playing with all different colors and I get so excited when my chinky eye turns out perfectly. So basically, I use this Stayer's facial toner to prep my skin. This hydrates my skin, tighten my pores, and smooth my skin without drying. I use liquid foundation from Estee Lauder. I like it because it's double wear and stay in place makeup. I have this perfecting powder foundation with SPF 32 from L'Oreal Paris. I like it because it's lightweight but full coverage. Oh my god, my favorite part. So I have this fine line brow liner from Eyebrow. Your inner brow should line up with your eye's inner corner. Your brow arch should be above of the outer edge of your iris. I use light brown color all the way to my upper eyelid. Next is I apply this darker shade of brown that I have in my palette to create a gradient effect. For the third layer, I just take these maroon shades and apply it into my lids. Ooh, look at those transitions. I like this color because I'm Asian and I have these chinky eyes. Those colors are really going to make them pop. Adding this foil play cream foundation from NYX makes my eyes more defined. And my favorite layer, I have this rose gold apply into my lid. So here's the key. Blend the liner with eyeshadow going outwards. Wherever you place the darkness is where the eye will go. So by smudging the lines, it gives the illusion that your eyes are taking up more real estate on your face. I'm using this silky eyeliner from Eyebrow. I like it because it's smudge proof and waterproof. So, nothing to worry about your tears because I have this Max Volume Mascara from BYS. I'm using this kind of magnetic eyelashes because it's so simple and easy to use. All I have to do is to just apply the liquid liner and let it dry. And here's my favorite tinted brow mascara from NYX to set my brow hairs in place. Oops! Don't forget your nose line. Shade along your bridge starting from your inner brows. Then highlight right on the center of your nose. I'm using this contour trio from BYS. Apply a bronzer or a shade too darker than your skin tone. Shape along your face, on your temples, the hollow of your cheeks, and the chin. I'm gonna use this old rose color from the same palette. I apply powder foundation to my entire lips to remove the natural pigments, but it can also help you realize where your lip lines actually are. I like this powder lip cream from NYX, so let's go in with a really nice neutral color. Oh, here's from Bobbi Brown. Apply a highlighter just above your cheekbone all the way to your temple. Don't forget your nose and chin. There. Look at those lashes. It's so dramatic. There are no right and wrong with the makeup. You should be able to express yourself in any way you want. Always remember that less is more. Keep things really pretty, really fresh, and just perfect for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!